Hey fam, it's Chef Ari here. Welcome back to our channel Exploring Chef World. Today I'm going to share my knowledge regarding green beans. Let's get started. Types of green beans. Green beans, string beans, wax beans and snap beans are all primarily identical thing. A number of variations primarily in color and shape separates one type from another. All of those green beans are much more or less interchangeable in recipes. Bigger beans like a Romanos would take longer to cook than thinner beans like haricot vert and would have a bit more texture and chew to them. As long as you go in things with those facts in mind, though, make yourself free to incorporate around those beans. Green beans, string beans or snap beans. Green beans, string beans and snap beans are long and rounded and green. Yellow versions are referred as wax beans and purple varieties are to be had. Higher loom varieties should have a fibrous string running down their sides. However, most varieties purchasable these days have had that inconvenience built out of them. Steamed green beans are delicious with simply a pat of butter and a sprinkle of salt. These beans are tasty once turned into pickles. Haricot verts, French beans or fillet beans. These delicate green beans are very skinny. They are green inexperienced. However, yellow varieties are out there too. Many of us contemplate haricot vert the best of the green beans and they are priced consequently. We tend to notably wishing to blanch them quickly and use them in salads. Long beans. Sometimes known as a yard long beans, these beans are in fact a very different family of plant from green beans. Aside from their extraordinary length, however, they are similar in flavor and appearance to green beans and may be sautéed within the same ways. Look for long beans between 12 and 18 inches long for the best flavor and tender texture. Purple string beans. Purple string beans are merely a purple version of classic green beans or wax beans. They lose their purple color once sautéed, therefore contemplate them for raw recipes or gently steam them and dip them into ice water to preserve the maximum amount of their color as possible. Romano beans or Italian beans or flat beans. Romano beans are flat and wide and flavorful. Smaller ones tend to be a lot more tender. Massive ones would have a lot of developed beans within. Romanos need a small amount more of cooking than some other pole beans. However, they even have much more flavor. Wax beans. Yellow wax beans. Wax beans look similar to green beans except that they are yellow. That is pretty much the sole difference. Thus go ahead and use them as you use any green bean. Just understand that the color of the final dish would obviously differ. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please add to your friends, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.